It's time for Blåhaj. Alright, what the hell is frickening, everybody? Today we are en route to IKEA. But right now we are going to rendezvous with my mom and her friend at her friend's house. So we'll be back with you shortly. Okay, so we're officially en route now. So yeah, my friend that I was talking about in the US of A, who named my bike Lazy, I'm actually going over there to get, well, not over to the USA, obviously. I'm going to IKEA to get a Blåhaj. Oh yeah, I've also ordered a set of ND filters and CPL filter for my Action 5. So on sunnier days, it should be a lot better, just in general. So yeah, for things like this, for the sun rays and stuff, it's going to be a lot better. I don't have any for the GoPro, unfortunately, but oh, this wind is not good. I mean, it's not really windy, it's just the fact that there's wind coming into the helmet. Right, I don't know where we can park right now because there's disabled bays there, there's family parking here. I am none of those things. I'll find somewhere. Actually, there's a place here. Oh. Alright, so we're here. I'm going to try and rendezvous with my mom and a friend, but I'll see you here in just a little bit.
So, after obtaining the baby Blåhaj, we went to eat some meatballs in the IKEA restaurant. Of course, Wendy loves the Swedish meatballs, so she stole some right off of my fork. And she looks incredibly proud of herself for it. Then I found these incredible pieces of art. I don't think you're ready.
Alright, 'cause I don't know. 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 'Cause
You change the battery on my GoPro again. Alright, let's get this show back on the road. Don't fucking fall off of there. Wow. My GoPro died already. That's just great. Well, they left without me, but I know my way back, so we're all good. Gonna go in a second. So yeah, we're gonna head back to my mum's friend's place to help her unpack the car, because some of those things that she bought are pretty darn heavy, I won't lie. I went the wrong way, I was supposed to be there. I'm not smart. Dude, why am I like this? And also, I'm sorry for the lack of commentary. It's just, without crap nav, I need to concentrate more on where I'm going. Hey, it's still got Pride Month stuff over there. That's kind of strange. Happy Pride Month to the borough of Warsaw. Does that mean that every month is Pride Month? Because I'm down for that. Also, my boots are really shiny. Well, not shiny, but they're very, very clean. I just polished them. Yeah, I'm being knocked around by the wind. This is not fun, dude. That's pretty loud for a 125, isn't it? Yep, I know where I am now. That's the junction that I don't like. I will never not complain about that junction. It is horrendous. Just flick it up into neutral, just so I can quickly... I don't know. It's not even... Hey, can you even hear that bike now? No, not really. Alright, see you in a little bit. My GoPro is dead, so I'm just going to take that off my bike real quick. How annoying. Just realised there's going to be school traffic now, isn't it? Now that time I did mean to honk. Sorry, Mum. Alright, but that is where I'm going to end off today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. But for now, I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay awesome. And yeah, love y'all. Goodness, it's wind. Look at my little friend go. Oh, look at him. Woo. Hey.